Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at something special, something exciting, and that is using the Mendeley Desktop to generate citations and also references. In my previous video, I talked about Mendeley Desktop. I showed you how to install it, how to sign in, how to reset your password, and also how to link it to the word plugin. Now in this video, I'll be taking you through how to use it to generate your citations and also references. So make sure you stick around. All you have to do is come to your Mendeley. Now, if you have nothing, first move this. You have no document at all that you use. Maybe already that you used. This is how it's going to appear. And if you want to bring yours just like this, also this one here, it will be done. Now, after that, you need to come to the word. As you can see here, this is my document about shortages.